Hi you guys, Tam Cam here. So today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how I did this signature, my signature high puff. If you know me, you know I wear my high puff 80% of the time because I don't know, I'm kind of low-key a lazy natural, but who cares, you know? So this is my little tutorial on how I did my high puff with my sleek edges. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button as well as the bell button next to the subscribe button so you are notified every single time when I post a new video, as well as like this video if you like it, because I know you will. So let's just do it now and let's go. So I'm working on probably like a 5-day-old twist out. I really need to wash it, but I have no time because I've been working. So here we go. So I'm going to refresh my hair with the new Eden Body Works Almond Marshmallow Leave-In Conditioner. This conditioner drives away damage and sees intense improvement in split ends with long-term benefits, and is safe for color treated, chemically treated, and natural hair. You guys, I wish I could smell this leave-in conditioner. It smells so good. Okay, then I'm gonna go in with my Eden Body Works Almond Marshmallow Hydration Serum. This hydration serum is supposed to smooth out frayed hair and split ends, nourishes dry, brittle hair, used to protect hair against daily pollutant and heat damage.
How you do me like Joanna? Joanna. How you do me like Joanna? Joanna. How you gonna do me like Joanna? Joanna. Hey Joanna. Hey Joanna. 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 Why you do me just like that? I go give you all my loving. Love me too, I love you back. Joanna. You be the man, damn sugar. Man, damn sugar. Oh, hey. Give me your goodie bag, I want your goodie bag, baby. Give me your goodie bag, I want your goodie bag, baby. Big package, hey. How do I manage? Hey, you gon' make me turn savage. Hey, body cause damage. Hey, Joanna, Joanna. How you do me like hey, Joanna? Joanna. How you gonna do me like Joanna? Joanna. Hey, Joanna. Hey, Joanna. Joanna. Ay. Hey, how you gonna play me like Drogba? How you gonna do me like Drogba? Oh, DJ Drogba. Hey, DJ Drogba.
Okay, I hope y'all enjoyed this quick and easy video on how I style my signature high puff as well as I slick my edges. I also have a detailed video and review on the Style Factor edge booster that I just used, as well as another brand edge control. So if you haven't seen that already, I'll link it up below and y'all can go ahead and check it out. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button as well as the bell button next to the subscribe button so you're notified every single time when I make a new video. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoy.
Joanna, your busy body.